tendonism. Tendonism. I just woke up and I'm feeling good and I'm feeling happy.
I never expected it, but God gave it to me.
But yeah, at the moment, I'm really enjoying this. I feel like these are so comfortable. They're almost comfortable or better than my AirPods Max at the moment. Better because now you get these hinges. You get 3 super clean hinges and they're also asymmetrical that I really like. And then you get this synthetic leather at the top right here. And also this kind of nice foam. I think this is like a memory foam or something. And a matte finish on the side, which I really enjoy if I'm just gonna be honest.
Just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work.
Okay, so I've literally had these for like, let's say 40 minutes, and you do see a lot of sweat, right? Especially around the material right there, which is kind of irritating sometimes, especially if you're somebody who like sweats a lot or who gets warm pretty fast. And then, I don't know, I'm gonna try this at the gym later and we're gonna see how this works. I don't think they are IP rated, so you just have to be super careful with this. And also the material as well is one thing to look out for, especially with the fact that, you know, it's plastic and it might collect a lot of dents and scratches here and there.
So I actually put this on while cleaning, and honestly, this is the kind of headphones that actually make sense while cleaning, because ANCs on these are actually doing its thing. Music up, zone out, get the apartment sorted. To be honest, I've been enjoying this all morning because I've been wearing these for over 2 hours, and to be honest, I just feel like they are super nice. But the only problem is that my ears are still warm and the fact that it hasn't changed a bit. But sounds just feel genuinely good because now you do have rich low and clear mids, and cleaning just feels way more productive when you've got a proper soundtrack. And I also tried the AirPods Max USB-C and the XM6 while cleaning. Look, these two devices have different philosophies. Apple is going for a more all-in-one ecosystem and premium material, while Sony is actually giving you that features first, more accessible angle.
Alright, so now that the MacBook Neo is out, people are gonna go towards that before the iPad. I'm not gonna say that you shouldn't buy the iPad or the MacBook Neo. All I'm basically saying is that these are completely two different stuff, right? There are so many things you can do with the iPad that you can't do with the MacBook Neo and vice versa, right? But like having an iPad that you can basically hold with one hand and then use and do whatever you want to do with it is just unbelievable. I'm basically recording myself and I'm seeing the frame, the position, and how everything is gonna look before I talk to the camera and all that, which I feel is super good. And then I'm gonna put on the XM6, listen to music, just try to work at least 30 to 40 minutes, and we'll see what the day has to offer. Okay, when it comes down to the XM6, there are a few features that I really like. Now, one of them being that you get the QN3 processor that is 7 times faster than the older model, which is super nice. And also, you get features like swipe right to switch track, swipe up to literally hide the volume. And one feature I really enjoy with this is the fact that when you have your headphones like this, listening to music, if you cover your ears just like that, you're basically going to lower the volume, and then you'll be able to talk to somebody like beside you. Och sånt också. Ja, vissa. Jag har fått några grejer alltså. Dator. Alright, so using these headphones at the gym where it's noisy is actually super nice because like I'm not hearing anybody. I can't literally, I'm just isolated in my own thoughts and the music. This has been one of the best headphones to actually use at the gym. I haven't brought my AirPods Max, and to be honest, it's not the same. It is not the same. So just using this at the gym is so nice. But then I'm still gonna complain about the sweat all around. Alright, so I've been trying these two headphones and I can actually say that the AirPods Max is well-rounded. Like bass, clearness, everything feels nice. While you have, more punchy and heavy bass on the Sony, which are super nice, and you can also customize that or change the EQs depending on where you are and how you're feeling, which I really like with the Sonys. But when it comes down to well-roundedness, everything feels more vibrant, then I'll actually go with the AirPods Max. Höger. Nu får vi se vad de kostar. Vad kostar de? 4 289. Alright, y'all, so I'm basically at my mechanic and I was just driving and I felt like the car was making weird sounds, especially when I'm turning the wheels, which just made me a little bit scared, so I had to go to my mechanics. And now he's saying something like the springs like near the tires are kind of weak, so if I don't change now, it's gonna collapse. So I was just like super scared. I just had to go to him because I don't want the car just collapsing mid-highway. So yeah, I need to fix this ASAP. Alright, so I forgot to take the only thing I needed. It's battery. So I don't have any battery on my ZV-10, but I still need to continue the day in the life. But yeah, I've been using the Sony XM6 and they're super nice, especially in environment like this where there are many people going out, there are many people talking, you have background music and all that, so they're super nice to carry along with you. And I've been trying different features like trying out everything on the app as well, and also like just trying to cover my ears to see how they actually work and all that. And to my expectation, one of the best features ever, because then I could talk to people, I can also listen to anything I'm thinking of, and the fact that this also isolate everything, noise cancellation feels nice. I'm here right now. I'm thinking maybe table lights, headlights, and floor light as well, so I'll see what I can get. And you can see at the moment these type of lights, which are super nice. And basically you just need to connect this to your internet, and then when you've connected them to your internet, every single light that you have is connected, and you can just use like app and turn it off, set alarms. So if you're at IKEA, then look for something like these Kaiplats, like Bilresa, and then find that Delegera, and that is the hub that makes everything stay connected. So I think I'm gonna get something like that, and we'll see. I'll get home, connect them, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, so I just came home and I got a couple of things from IKEA. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's basically smart home devices like light bulbs, and also a hub that is going to help me, connect everything together, which I'm super happy. And also it's gonna come in my next video, I guess maybe next week or the week before, so just stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be like a smart home from IKEA. Everything is gonna be sophisticated, and I'm going to change my light bulbs behind me there and also that one as well, so I could get like everything connected on one device. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, apart from that, like the headphones itself has been super nice. Like I've been using it all day. I still have a lot of battery. Wait 1 second, let me try and see how many percent battery I actually have at the moment. And I still have like 75% left. I don't even understand. That's just crazy. But then one thing I really like is the fact that it tells you the battery, and if you press one more time, it also tells you the date and the day, every single thing you need to know about today. It's gonna be like, it's Tuesday, 31st of March and blah, blah, blah. And also tell you the battery percentage, which is nice. But then, as you can see behind me, I have a lot of things to do. Like, I used to use a stacked monitor before, but now I need to revert back to the monitor I was using before. But now I feel like it's best to have two monitors side by side, which feels better because it's better to look left and right than look up and down. So yeah, I'm just gonna revert that to what I used to have before, and we'll see. So enjoy the process, and I'm also going to use these and listen to music while I work. So enjoy the show. Okay, so it's been a long day and I've been doing so many things with these headphones. I really enjoy them. Like, everything has been super nice except the fact that they get a little bit weird when they are sweaty, but super nice headphones. So I've been using this for every single thing. They are literally my daily drive compared to this. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments what you think. Is this something you would actually rock? If it's something you actually have, then let me know what you think is the best or the things that you don't really like with them. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next week. I need to work.